Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss this question, and in this question we have given a function f which is defined from R to R, and it is given as fx is equals to 10x plus 7. We have to find another function which is also defined from R to R such that f composition of J is equals to G composition of f is equals to identity function for all x belongs to real number. Since we have f composition of J is equals to identity function, then f composition of Gx is equals to x for all x belongs to R. F composition of Gx can be written as f of Gx is equals to x. Now we don't know about the value of Gx, so we apply the f function, and according to the f function, f of x is equals to 10x plus 7. Therefore f of Gx is equals to 10 multiplied by Gx plus 7. Therefore 10 of Gx plus 7 is equals to x. Now by using the method of transposing, we get Gx is equals to x minus 7 by 10 for all x belongs to R. Now we have a second method to solve this question. Since we know that f composition of G is equals to G composition of identity function, and we know that if f composition of J equals to G composition of f equals to identity function, then we can say that f is invertible function and J is the inverse of f. And in this question we have to find the value of J. That means we have to find the inverse of f. So to calculate the inverse of f, we consider fx equals to y. On putting the value of fx, we get 10x plus 7 is equals to y. On transposing, we get x is equals to y minus 7 upon 10. As f is invertible, therefore fx equals to y implies that x is equals to f inverse of y. हमें f इन्वर्टिबल दे रखा है, और अगर f इन्वर्टिबल है तो fx इक्वल्स टू y से हमें मिलेगा x इज़ द इन्वर्स फंक्शन ऑफ y. So using this condition we get f inverse of y is equals to y minus 7 upon 10, and since we know that G is the inverse of f, therefore we can write Gx is equals to f inverse x. So we can replace f inverse y by gy. Therefore gy equals to y minus 7 by 10, or we can change the variable, and after changing the variable we get Gx is equals to x minus 7 by 10, which is the desired result.